Celebrities who owned house in Forbes Park. Forbes Park is a private subdivision in Makati, Metro Manila. The average price of house and lot there is 1 billion pesos, so only billionaires live in there like CEOs, celebrities, and government officials. Inside the subdivision is the Manila Polo Club and Manila Golf Country Club, known to be hobbies of rich people. First on the list is Ben Chan. Ben Chan is a Chinese-Filipino entrepreneur and the founder of Ben's, the Philippines' largest clothing chain. Due to the success of his company, no wonder he has a house in South Forbes Park. His companies are not only known in the Philippines but in the entire world. Next is Gretchen Barreto. Gretchen Barreto is known for her beauty and came from the family of artists. Gretchen's billionaire partner, Tony Boy Cuanco, has many businesses in the entire Philippines. They live in the North Forbes Park with their only daughter, Dominique Cuanco. Third is Vicky Bello, a Filipino dermatologist and television personality. She is the founder of Bello Medical Group, which has many branches in the Philippines, and also the founder of Bello Essentials, whose skincare products can be bought in pharmacies and supermarkets. Her house in Forbes Park was bought when she's with her first partner, Atom Hinares. Now she's married to Hayden Ko and has a daughter. Next is Tessa Preto, socialite, host, known for her colorful outfits. Preto came from a family of businessmen and politicians. They owned the popular company Philippine Daily Inquirer, DZIQ radio station, and Bandera. Next on the list is Richard Gomez and Lucy Torres. They bought the house in Forbes Park in 2003. This celebrity couple turned politician bought the house as an investment. Very good investment indeed. The value of this house is 5 times the price as of now. On our top list is Manny Pacquiao. From rags to riches, boxer, celebrity, politician, earned billions of pesos. No wonder he have a tropical-inspired house in North Forbes Park. The house was bought in 2011 for 388 million pesos, and now it values 2 billion pesos. These are the hardworking celebrities who owned house in Forbes Park.